Hello friends, how are you all doing? So I am here today with a Meesho haul. I am showing you the unboxing videos. Please stay with me. I have 6 products with me now. I have got them delivered yesterday and today, and I'm super excited to show you people. I'm not usually an online person. I don't buy much through online, but I chose some products from Meesho. I had bought one long chain from Meesho, and I really liked it. So let's see. Let's once I unbox it, I will get to know how good the product is. So the first one I'm taking, I will open it. My very first product that I have opened. Chosen a sari. You know the cost of it? It is 275 rupees with the blouse. So that's how inexpensive it is. I'm not too fond of the blouse material, and the shine is a bit too much. I'm not sure if I'm going to stitch it into a blouse, but sari is too good. The next one. So this is a palazzo, and I don't know, again I have taken a bottle green. So this sari was bottle green, this palazzo that I wanted also was bottle green. I have always been fond of bottle green color. So the cost of it is 227 rupees. The feel of the material is good, it is soft, but I'm not sure. This is how it looks. It looks fine because I wanted this color. The material feel is good, but how it will suit me, I am yet to understand. I'll have to wear it and see. So for now, I cannot say, but color wise, material wise, I'm satisfied. I'll place it here. So this is my third product. I'm having a few indoor plants and I wanted to decorate them. So I bought these colorful stones to place it in the, to decorate the plants. You can see it. The cost of the colored stones is 123 rupees. Now the next product. This is a box to hold my jewelry. This is the next product. So the price of this is 211 rupees. Actually, when I was ordering it, I thought it will be a little more bigger. So this is a 36 partitioned box. I think this 36 partitioned box is very useful for keeping my jewelry. So my next product, the cost of this is 420 rupees. The manual chopper that I purchased was not a good one. The blades were not available in the product, so I have returned it. It is a no-no from my side. Now this is my sixth product. It is 400 rupees. I have bought this to gift it to my nephews. So hope it's good. I'm gifting them a piggy bank. I want them to start putting some money into it and saving some money. I have bought two for each one of them. So these are two different colors so that they can differentiate who's this, which one. So this can be opened and there is a key inside. So it can be locked with the key. I hope they like it. I had ordered all the items from Meesho on the same day, but the delivery happened at various intervals. So I have three more to show you. I will open it now. This is a jar with four separators. So I am eating a lot of millets these days, so I am buying various millets. I would like to have these put into a same container so that I can choose it from each of them and have it. This is how it looks. It is 193 rupees. You can see separators. So I can put, I think the quantity must be about a quarter kg or a little more on each of them. So I will be able to put it in each one and I can use it. I don't want to have separate containers. So this is my plan. That is why I have procured this. I think this should be useful. It is looking a bit colorful too. The lid is okay. It looks colorful. So I think I'm happy with the purchase. I'll open the next one. The cost of plastic handle bowl for washing rice is 107 rupees. Let me see first and then I will explain the product to you. So this is the product. This has got holes here, small pores here. My plan was to buy it for washing rice. So I think it's okay. Dal, rice, vegetables. You can wash it here and pour off the water this way. It has got a handle. So you just pour it this way. So for 107 rupees, I think it's good. The next is a chapati roll mat. When I'm rolling a bigger chapati, I find it a little inconvenient. So I like this when I saw it online. It is a mat to roll the chapatis, silicone mat. I will have to use it to tell you about the review, which will come through in due course when I am doing some cooking activity. For now, I'll just show you the product. So this can be folded and kept easily in a small box. But when I am rolling chapatis, I get a lot of space, so I can even put the atta, it will not go out, otherwise you have to spread a paper or something. So all that considered, I thought of buying this. The price is 373. I don't know how worth it is. I'll be able to tell only after the use of this mat. But for now, it's good. Hope you liked my video and all the products that I have showcased. I hope it's of use to everybody who is having to buy something from for the kitchen requirement. I have got some encouragement from that is making me to go on and take more and more videos. Let's see what creative possibilities are there in this world which we all can do it together. So thanks for watching Joe's World. Until next time, bye bye.